Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome again, you all, in the virtual learning system of Pakistan International School, Taif, Saudi Arabia. Dear students, as you know that this is Pakistan International School, Taif, virtual class for class second year students, subject computer science, and today is our 20th lecture. Teacher name, as you know that, Imran Ahmed. Dear students, in the previous lecture we have discussed the C-in statement and the C-out statement. It means the topic was input output handling. Chapter 3, input output and handling. Nearly in each and every program we use input and output. It means that in each and every program in C++ we use C-in statement mostly, and all the time we use the C-out statement for the output. C-out statement, the general form of C-out statement. C-out, first of all you will write the C-out character or string or variable. If you will use the message, then your message will be enclosed within a double inverted commas. I will show you the example over here. Watch over here. Cout. The value stored in A is, so watch over here, they enclosed the message in double inverted comma. After that, this is the message. And for the value of a variable, they can also use a single cout statement, but for the better understanding, they use the multiple cout statement. First, this message will be appear. Then watch over here, they write A over here. Why? This A is not enclosed in double inverted commas. Why it is not enclosed in double inverted commas? Whenever we want to display the value of a variable, we want to display the value of any kind of variable, we are not going to enclose that variable in double inverted commas. If I enclose this A in double inverted commas, it means that it will be considered as a message, not to display the value of a variable. Now the output should be like this. The value stored in A is, first this message will be appear, the value stored in A is. After that, on the same line, because there is no escape sequence character at the end of cout statement or the beginning of this cout statement, that's why it will appear on the same line. Same case was used for the C-in statement. C-in, all the time we are not going to use, we will know, we are bound, we cannot use the message inside the C-in statement. Only we use a variable and it will read the value at the runtime. So C-in is reserved word, keyword, and this is the iStream operator. This is iStream, double greater than symbol is iStream operator. How to use? In the previous example, I told you how to use this iStream operator. For example, first of all, in this example, enter an integer. This message will be appear on the same line. Watch over here. See, in they write the n, and they declared n as integer variable. So you must assign the n as integer value. For example, 5, 6, whatever you want within the range of integer variable. So any kind of value you can assign, but only integer like 5, 6 up to. After that, the number you type is n. In this book, in this statement, there is error. Why there is error? Anyone guess why there is error over here? Because they not enclose this message. The number you type is, this is the message, and message is always enclosed, as I told you, within double inverted commas. Like, watch over here, enter an integer. They write over here correct, but over here it is not correct. So it will show you error on this line. So when you will enclose this statement within double inverted commas, then after that it will execute. Okay, assume that we put the double inverted commas over here and the result should be like this. Enter an integer first. This message will be appear. Then it will ask for the value of n and he assigned the value of n is 7. After that, see out the number you type is n. Watch over here, the number you type. Now this message will be appear is 7. Okay, another variety of cin statement. Can I read the more than one variable value in a same or single cin statement? Obviously, yes. If we want to use, or if we assign the use the more variable, more than one variable, then we use like this: cin, then istream operator, then name of variable, then again istream operator, then again variable. And so in this case we are using the two variables a and b, and we are going to assign the value one by one. So this one is the cin statement. Next is get character, get che, get s, and put s function. In the examination, this question is like this: differentiate between get ch and get che function. Almost these functions are the same. The purpose of these two functions are same. The purpose of these two functions are same. Why I'm saying the same? Only in the first function, why I'm calling this one are the functions. Any word which have starting and the closing parenthesis after the name of the word, it shows that this one is the function. Watch over here, get chs also have the starting and the closing parenthesis. This one is the function. Get s is the function, put s is the function. Now what is the definition of get ch function? I will show you uh, for the, yes, get ch. Get control F. I write the definition, but after scrolling, get ch over here. Not, yes. The definition of get ch function is assign a character. This function, now keep in mind, get ch function is used only for the character variable. Only used for the character variable. Assign a character without pressing enter key. Like, see in statement when you use, you put the value like say, for example, 8. After typing 8, whenever you press the enter key, it will assign. After pressing the enter key, it will assign the value to the variable. But using the get ch function, you no need to press the enter key. As you press any character, it will assign the value to the corresponding character variable. And what is the difference? Assign a character without press enter key, character will not be visible. So over here, E stand for echo is off, because in this get ch function there is no E. So it means that in this function echo is off. Echo is off means the character you type, although it will be typed, but it will not be visible to you. As you type, it will not be visible to you. Now the same function, another function is get che. Over here, you check it in the before get ch function. There is no e. In the get che function, there is e is present, and it shows that its echo is on. It means that whenever you assign any character to a variable of type character, so this will be visible. Definition will be assign a character without pressing enter key. Same definition like this one, but character will be visible. So there is the difference between the get ch and get che. In the get ch function, echo is off, and in the get che function, echo is on. Next is there is another function like get ch, get che. There is get character. Assign a character by pressing enter key. Same definition, but over here the difference is they will assign this function is also used for the get character of type character variable, but they will use whenever you assign like scene statement, whenever you will assign any kind of variable to a variable of type character, so you press any character, then you must press the enter key. After pressing the enter key, it will assign to the get character function. So these three kind of functions are used to display any kind of variable. So keep in mind these functions are only used for these functions. Get ch function and get ch function, get che function is always used for the of type character variable. Watch over here in the example, they use the example character ch. uh, all the I told you all the program are starting with the preprocessor directive. This is the preprocessor directive. This conio.h is used for the get ch function. Now in this function, they also did the mistake because they are not using the double parenthesis. Anywhere, anytime, if you use the function, you must enclose that words, you not enclose, you must use at the forward, at the end of that word, parenthesis. Same enter character, they use the ch. Now whenever you press the any character like a, but this a will not display to you, but whenever you will use a cout statement, this is cout statement again having the error of type error because they are not enclosed within a double inverted commas. So ch, so output should be like this. When you ever you assign a character, it will not show you, but in the cout statement, it will show to you any kind of character which you have typed. So message will be like this, output enter a character, you press over a. So a is not visible, but whenever the output will be appear, the character you typed is a. The character you typed is a. It will be appear. Same with the get che function. So watch over here, they use the get che functions. They enclose, they use the correct, but over here they did the mistake again. Or again, the message should be like this: enter a character. You press the character like H. H will be appeared on over here. Output is also wrong. They shows H will be appeared on here because we are using the get che function. But when the output will be displayed, the character you type is H. So over here it also typed, and you can see, and the message is as well. Next is get s function and put s function. For these two kind of function, when we use the arrays and string, it is coming in the future chapters, further chapters. So we will discuss these two kind of function over there. So get s and put s are the string function. Get ch and get che and get cha are the character function. Get s and get put s or the string function. Whenever we are going to the string, dealing with the string, we will use that kind of function. Simply, the definition of string is combinations of character makes a string. We will discuss in the further chapter. Next one is escape sequence character. What is escape sequence? With the help of example, I will use the escape sequence character. I am going to write the another program, new program. Okay. Hash include not stereo.h. I will use io stream.h. And these two header files must be in each and every program. You must use this kind of these two header files. Void main is the starting function of C++. Now I am going to use the escape sequence character. cout, like I want to display any kind of message. For example, this one is my message. What happened? Let us check. Run. There is error because I didn't put the semicolon at the end. So at the end of each statement, there should be a semicolon. Now check it again. Watch over here. The message is appeared on the screen. Okay, whatever I write, just this one is the message. Now, if I run again, it will show the 2 times because there is no clear screen. I am going to use a clear screen before executing my program. I want that only 1 time output will be shown. Watch over here again, the same input. Now I'm using the another cout statement. Cout, and you message, you type, for example, like this one. Now what should be the result? I use two cout statements. I use two cout statements, but the result will be appear on a single line. What to do? But the result will be appear on a single line. Run. Again, I forget the semicolon at the end of this. So statement missing semicolon, check again. So watch over here, two messages I write and they are appearing on the same line in the output. Now I want to use the escape sequence. At the beginning of the second, at the beginning of the second message, I will use \n. Where is the \n? Forward slash at the keyboard at the laptop it is difficult to find the backslash where it is present. Okay, this one is present at the $sign symbol, \n. Now this \n, this one only, \n is a escape sequence. The purpose of escape sequence is used to display the output formatted as you want. Formatted means it will be help you to organize your output. So now I want to run the program again. As I will execute this program, watch over here. Now my output is appeared on the two screen, the two lines, two different lines. Now again, I don't want to use the \n. Now I say on the same line, the message will be appear, but at the tab position. So \n is used for what purpose? \n is used for the new line and \t is used for the tab. So if I run again this program, watch over here, a tab is appeared after the first message, a tab key is appeared on the screen. Now whenever in my cout statement, wherever I use the \n, watch over here, \n, I use the \n over here and \t like over here. So what happened? At the same position after the G, it will divide the line. The second message will appear on the next line. But the third line, this message and this one appear on the same. After that, this one is appeared on the next line. So check the output. My system is going to hang right now. So I will type this program again and I will show. Control enter. This is hanged. So I will use and close this one. I didn't save the previous program, so I will write it again. clear screen, see out, message is like hello. In the first message I write hello, and in the second message I write how are you. Okay, so this will be appeared on the same line. Now I will use the backslash t at the starting, so they will appear on the same line but a tab position over there. But over here the studio.h is used in C, and I will use IO stream dot h in C++. So this program is now valid, and just check what happened. Watch here, hello, how are, after the hello there is tab position, and how are you is appearing on the next line. So I can use a single statement. For example, not using the to cout statement, I want hello, how are you. This message will appear on the single line, but after the hello, I press the backslash n. Now, on a single cout statement, it will be appeared on the two lines. Why two lines? Hello will be appeared on the top line, and how are you will be appeared on the bottom line. Let us check this one. So watch over here. Hello is appeared on the first line, and how are you, because the escape sequence backslash n, where it is present, it will divide the line and comes to the message which comes to the next one. Now times for the assignment, I told you backslash n statement and backslash t statement. Now your assignment, I want to give you the assignment, so you must try this assignment. No. This will be your assignment. Watch over here. You will display like this one, static. I also give you this assignment. Oh. Okay, this is your assignment. You will have to display this kind of output using single cout statement. On a single cout statement, you will have to display this pyramid of stars. Static, then 3 static, then 5 static. Watch over here, just the use of escape sequence, you can do this assignment very, very easily. I think today is enough. Inshallah, tomorrow we will discuss the further topics, and we will discuss the again more topics. Till take care of yourself. Pray for me. Pray for all Muslim. Allah Hafiz.